guys, this is Command, and today we are going to review on 3 Hot Wheels cars. First up, we can box this Hot Wheels Nissan Leaf Nismo RC2 with red and black from SW Modified for 5 with 91 out of 250. Customized cars with features like bigger spoilers, body kits, and other cool upgrades for personal style. There's a Nissan Motor Corporation trademark. Okay, now we can box this car. Front, we have black grille, pans side with Nissan logo, rear with spoiler, driver side, and roof. The code says R16, that's the code. Oh, R46, that's the code. Now we can review on tan, orange, black, and brown 1986 Toyota van from SWJ Imports 610 with 95 out of 250. A dream collection of Japanese domestic market vehicles, and there's a Toyota Motor Corporation trademark. Okay, now we can box this car. Front, we have no detail, pans side, rear, driver side, and roof. The code says R47, that's the code. Now we can review, unbox this Hot Wheels Limited Walk LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15 with black and gold from SW Modified 15 with 17 out of 250. Already read it, and there's a Nissan Motor Corporation trademark and LBW UK Liberty Walk trademark. Okay, now we can box this car. Front, we have no detail, pans side, rear with spoiler, driver side, and roof. The code says R37, that's the code. Okay, thanks for watching, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.